Welcome to the English Listening Channel. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. Today, you will learn English at a cafe. You will hear real conversation and useful vocabulary. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the lesson. Let's begin.
Hello, welcome. What would you like today?
Hi, I would like a coffee, please.
Sure, what kind of coffee do you want?
I am not sure. What do you recommend?
Our cappuccino is very popular.
Okay, I will take a cappuccino.
Good choice. Anything else?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
We have sandwiches and pastries.
What sandwiches do you have?
Chicken, cheese, and tuna sandwiches.
I will take a chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink besides coffee?
No, that's all for now.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Hi, your order is ready.
Oh, great, thank you.
1 cappuccino and 1 chicken sandwich.
Perfect.
And I added a small cookie for you.
Really, thank you so much.
Yes, it is fresh today.
That's very kind.
Do you want sugar or milk?
No, thank you, this is fine.
Okay, enjoy your coffee.
Thank you, I will.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
Welcome, I hope you like it.
I already like this place.
That's nice to hear.
The cafe looks very cozy.
Thank you, we try to make it comfortable.
You did a great job.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, have a nice day.
You too. So, how is your coffee?
Let me try first.
Okay,
Wow, this is really good.
really?
Yes, it tastes strong but smooth.
That sounds perfect.
You should try it.
Okay, give me a sip.
Here.
Oh yes, I like it.
Right.
It is not too bitter.
Exactly.
My latte is also very good.
Let me try yours.
Okay.
This is softer than mine.
Yes, I told you.
I understand now.
And what about the cookie?
I almost forgot.
Try it.
Wow, it is very fresh
Nice.
and a little sweet.
Perfect with coffee.
I like this place a lot.
Me too.
We should come here again.
Definitely. Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, almost every morning.
Really, that's a lot.
I know, but I need it to wake up.
I try not to drink too much coffee.
Why?
Sometimes it makes me nervous.
That's true.
How many cups do you drink?
Maybe 2 or 3 cups a day.
That's quite a lot.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
I prefer tea sometimes,
Tea is also good.
especially in the evening.
Yes, coffee at night is not a good idea.
Do you work better after coffee?
Yes, I feel more focused.
Same for me, actually.
Coffee helps me start my day.
And cafe like this makes it even better.
Yes, the atmosphere is important.
Good coffee and good place.
That's the perfect combination.
Be careful your coffee.
Oh, wait.
Alex,
I am okay.
you almost dropped it.
Yes, that was close.
You always do that.
No, not always.
Last time too.
Okay, maybe sometimes.
You need to be more careful.
I know.
Are you okay?
Yes, just a little spill.
Good.
I think the coffee is still good.
Of course it is.
That was embarrassing.
A little bit.
People are looking.
Relax, nobody cares.
I hope so.
Just drink your coffee.
Okay.
Next time be careful.
Yes, boss.
Very funny.
I am trying to stay calm.
At least nothing broke.
Yes, that's good.
And your sandwich is safe.
That is the most important thing.
Of course. Okay, now it looks better.
Yes, sorry about that.
It's okay. It happens.
I was just talking too much.
Yes, you talk a lot sometimes.
Hey, that's not nice.
I am joking.
Next time I will be more careful.
Good idea.
At least we can laugh about it.
Yes, it was a little funny.
A little?
Okay, maybe very funny.
I knew you would say that.
Of course.
Do you want another coffee?
No, I think one is enough.
Same.
Let's just sit and relax.
Yes, no more accidents.
This is still a nice day.
Yes, even with the coffee disaster.
Coffee disaster.
Yes, that's what I call it.
I like that.
Me too.
Next time we come here again.
And I will not spill anything.
I hope so. That was a nice cafe.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
The coffee was great.
And the cookie too.
You liked the cookie a lot.
Of course, it was free.
That's true.
Next time I will order 2.
No, next time you will not spill coffee.
Okay, fair.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, perfect for a walk.
Do you want to walk a little?
Yes, why not?
I like days like this.
Me too, simple and calm.
Good coffee, good company.
And no stress.
That's the best combination.
I agree.
Let's come here again next week.
Deal. Now let's repeat some words. Coffee, coffee, latte, latte, cappuccino, cappuccino, sandwich, sandwich, menu, menu, order, order. Now let's practice sentences. I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee. Can I order, please? Can I order, please? Thank you. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this English listening podcast. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word and improve your English step by step. Today, you will listen to a real-life story. This story is about Alex and Emma. Listen carefully and try to understand the conversation. If you do not understand everything, do not worry. Just listen again and your English will improve naturally. Let's begin.
Alex, we need to go soon.
Yeah, I know, just 1 minute.
You always say 1 minute.
This time I mean it seriously.
The taxi will be here any second.
I am almost done packing.
Did you check everything already?
I think so.
Think or sure?
Okay, fine. I will check again.
Please do.
All right, clothes are here. Laptop is here.
What about your passport?
It should be in the bag.
Should be is not good enough.
Okay, I am checking now.
Check carefully.
I see my wallet and tickets.
And the passport.
Wait, I do not see it.
What do you mean you do not see it?
Maybe it is in another pocket.
Alex, do not joke right now.
I am not joking.
This is serious.
I know.
When did you last see it?
Yesterday night on the table.
On the table.
Yes.
Then why is it not in your bag?
I thought I packed it.
Thought again.
Okay, relax. Let me check properly.
We do not have time to relax.
Give me a second.
Hurry up.
I am checking all pockets now.
Slowly but carefully.
Nothing here.
This is bad.
Wait, maybe I put it somewhere else.
Where else?
Maybe in my jacket.
Check your jacket now.
Okay, checking.
Please tell me you found it.
No, not here.
Alex, seriously.
I know.
Think again.
I am trying.
Focus.
Yesterday I came home.
Yes,
Put passport on the table.
then
Then I started packing.
did you take it after that?
I think so.
Think again carefully.
Maybe I moved it.
Where?
I do not remember.
This is stressful.
Yeah, I feel it too.
Check your bag again slowly.
Okay, one more time.
Every pocket.
I am checking.
Do not rush.
Wait,
What?
I see something here.
What is it?
Hidden pocket.
Open it.
Yes, it is here.
The passport.
Yes, I found it.
Finally.
That was scary.
Very scary.
I thought I forgot it.
Me too, honestly.
Okay, now everything is ready.
Now we go.
Yes, let's go quickly.
Next time we check earlier.
Definitely lesson learned.
Finally, we are on the way.
Yes, we made it just in time.
I was worried we would be late.
No, we are good. We still have time.
I hope traffic stays like this.
It looks clear today.
That is lucky for us, honestly.
Yes, today everything is going smoothly.
Let's hope it stays that way.
It will. Do not worry.
Do you feel ready for the trip?
Yes, I feel excited, actually.
Me too, it has been a long time.
We really needed this break.
Yes, work was very stressful lately.
This trip will help us relax.
And forget everything for a few days.
Exactly. That is the plan.
By the way, did you check your passport again?
Yes, it is in my bag now.
Are you sure this time?
Yes, I checked it twice before leaving.
Good, because I do not trust you anymore.
Hey, that is not fair.
After what just happened, I think it is fair.
Okay, I understand.
Can you check it again just quickly?
Again, seriously.
Yes, just to be sure.
All right, give me a second.
Do it now.
Okay, I am checking.
Well,
Wait,
what?
I do not see it again.
Alex, stop playing.
I am not playing.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, I am serious.
Check properly.
I am checking every pocket.
Slowly.
Wallet is here, tickets are here.
And passport.
I cannot find it.
This is not happening again.
Maybe I moved it somewhere else.
Alex, we just checked it at home.
I know.
Then where is it now?
I do not understand.
Think.
I am thinking.
Focus, please.
Maybe I left it in the room.
No, you found it before we left.
Yes, that is true.
Did you take it out again?
I do not remember.
This is really bad.
Yes, I know.
We are already far from home.
How far are we now?
At least 15 minutes away.
That is not good.
Check your bag again carefully.
Okay, I am checking everything again.
Every small pocket.
Yes, I am doing that.
Anything.
Wait,
What now?
I see something here.
What is it?
No, it is just a receipt.
Alex, please focus.
I am trying.
We might need to go back.
Already.
Yes, we cannot go without passport.
That means we will be late.
Better late than missing flight completely.
You're right.
I will check the map now.
Okay.
There is a turn ahead.
Can we go back quickly?
Yes, but it will take time.
We have no choice.
Next time we double check everything before leaving.
Yes, definitely.
No stress like this again.
Agreed.
Okay, I am turning now. Alex, something feels wrong right now.
What do you mean everything is fine?
I do not know. I just feel nervous suddenly.
Maybe it is just travel stress.
No, it is something else.
What are you thinking about?
Your passport.
I told you it is in my bag.
Check it again, please.
Again, seriously, Emma.
Yes, please, just check it.
Okay, fine. I will check.
Well,
Wait,
what is it?
I do not see it again.
Alex, stop joking right now.
I am not joking.
No, this is not funny.
I am serious.
Check again properly.
I am checking everything.
Slowly.
Wallet is here. Tickets are here.
And passport.
It is not here.
Oh my God.
Wait, maybe another pocket.
Check everything now.
I am checking, I swear.
Alex, this is serious.
I know.
Where is it?
I do not know.
How do you not know?
I thought I packed it.
Thought again.
Emma, please calm down.
I cannot calm down right now.
We will figure it out.
We are going to miss the flight.
Not yet, we still have time.
Not if we go back.
Maybe it is here, somewhere.
You already checked everything.
Let me check again.
Alex, we are running out of time.
I know, just give me a second.
This is bad.
Wait!
What?
No, nothing.
Alex, please focus.
I am trying.
Think clearly.
Yesterday I had it on the table.
Yes, I remember that.
Then I packed my bag.
And you put it inside.
I think so.
Think or no?
I am not sure anymore.
This is exactly the problem.
Okay, do not panic.
I am already panicking.
We need a solution.
We go back.
Are you sure?
Yes, we have no choice.
That means we might be late.
Better late than no passport.
You're right.
Turn the car around now.
Okay, I am turning.
Faster, please.
I am trying.
This is so stressful.
I know I feel it too.
Next time we check everything twice.
Yes, I promise.
No more mistakes like this.
Never again.
Good.
Okay, we are going back now.
Let's hope we still make it.
We will try our best.
Run faster, we are almost there.
I am running as fast as I can.
The entrance is right ahead.
I see it.
Do you have the passport now?
Yes, it is in my hand.
Do not lose it again.
Never again.
Let's go inside quickly.
Okay,
Look at the time.
what time is it now?
We have maybe 20 minutes left.
That is very close.
We can still make it.
I hope so.
Go to the check-in counter.
I am going.
Excuse me, can we check in quickly?
Our flight is leaving soon.
Please, we are a little late.
Is it still possible?
Thank you.
Okay, we need to move faster.
Now security.
Let's go.
This line looks long.
Oh no.
Stay calm.
I am trying.
We are almost there.
Yes, almost.
Finally.
Let's go through.
Okay, we are done.
That was stressful.
Now the gate.
Which gate is it?
Gate 23.
This way.
Run.
I am right behind you.
I see the gate.
Me too.
Are we too late?
I do not know.
Wait, they are still boarding.
Really?
Yes, look, people are still entering.
We made it.
Oh my God, we made it.
I cannot believe it.
That was so stressful.
But we did it.
Never again like this.
Never.
Next time we prepare everything early.
And check everything twice.
Or 3 times.
Yes, 3 times.
At least now we can relax.
Finally.